Good evening. Good evening. This message is to President Donald J. Trump. Sir, my name is Renal Smith. I'm a proud Haitian immigrant. I have served this United States of America with honor for over 2 decades. First, I have served in the United States Marine Corps, and second in the U.S. Army, including multiple deployments in supporting the Operation Iraqi Freedom and the mission in Afghanistan as a military police officer. Today, I'm not just speaking to you as a veteran and a patriot, but as a representative of the Haitian community, both in the US and around the world. Since the tragic assassination of our elected President Jovenel Moise, the country have fallen into chaos. Um, you have gangs now control 85% of the country. They are murdering innocent people. They are raping women. They are committing unimaginable atrocity, including burning babies alive. Yes, burning babies alive, all without consequences. Haitians are fleeing not because they want to, but because they must. You have doctors, teachers, engineers, business owners. They are all escaping a war zone because that's what Haiti has become. Yet, even in a neighboring country like the Dominican Republic, they are being hunted like dogs. They are dehumanized. They are deported without dignity. Even women with newborn babies, they get deported. Mr. President, I know you care deeply about America's security and prosperity. And I'm one of many Haitians who believe in your vision and proudly supporting the MAGA movement. But I respectfully ask you, sir, to reconsider this. Rather than spending billions of money in deportation, I would ask you, sir, to invest in a solution that really works for everyone. Haitian doesn't need handout. Haitian needs one thing, sir. Right now, they only one thing for their own country's security. I guarantee you, sir, if the U.S. help secure Haiti, I guarantee you, Haitians that live in this country legally or illegally, I promise you will be self-deported. They themselves will buy their own tickets to go back in their homeland. They will what I call self-deported. And they will go back home with pride and with purpose because they know they have to go and help rebuild their own country. If the US restores security in Haiti, I guarantee you again that all Haitians will have one one common cause, one mission to rebuild their own country. So this is why I take the steps to create what they call MAGA. It's MAHGA, which is Make Haiti Great Again. It's a marriage between MAGA, Make America Great Again, and MAGA, MAHGA, which is Make Haiti Great Again. So I would say this, sir. Let us make Haiti great again for all Haitians. MAGA, MAHGA. Just as you made the promise to make America great again. With American leadership, we will secure our nation. Haitian doctors, entrepreneurs, and patriots like me will go back to help rebuild Haiti stronger and a freer country. And in return, you will have unwavering loyalty and respect of the Haitian people. As a Marine, a soldier, and a MAGA patriot, I believe in America's mission. And I do believe we can be the beacon of hope Haiti needs now more than ever. This part, I believe, will save American taxpayers billions of dollars and restore the dignity to people who only ask for a chance to live in peace in their own country. Thank you, Mr. President. God bless you, and may God continue to bless this United States of America. Thank you.